Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a delicious and popular dish from China, Jianbing. Jianbing, also known as Chinese crepes, is a street food staple in China. It's a savory, thin pancake made with a batter of wheat flour, water, and salt, and it's often served with a variety of toppings. To make a classic jianbing, start by mixing the batter and pouring it into a hot pan. Once the pancake is cooked, add your favorite toppings. Some popular options include scrambled eggs, cilantro, scallions, and chili sauce. Fold the pancake in half, and voila! You've got a delicious and satisfying jianbing. So, if you're craving some authentic Chinese street food, give jianbing a try. Thanks for joining us today, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes and food adventures. Until next time, happy eating!